Okay, the first trade is closed with profit. Yep, so it's closed. So this trade is closed with profit. Hello guys, and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael, trader, and I am a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you how to make millions on this market. And if you want to know how to do this, let's watch this video. Hi, according to the first trade that we're having today, this is CHF GPI currency pair. Price is now hitting the resistance line zone, and we are almost ready to break through it. But let me open sell position because I'm almost sure that this will be a false breakout, and anyway, we will have a nice pullback reaction from this resistance line zone. So that's why we have invested our $90 in this trade. As you can see, for today's trading session, we are using only a short time period of just 1 minute, and we're investing our whole deposit in each trade so that we can save our time and enlarge our deposit as fast as possible. Now we are just waiting for the end of the time period to see the result of this trade, my friends. So we have a very nice reaction of the market. We have a very nice reaction of the market, guys. We have even made the bearish consumption of the previous bullish candle. Okay, the first trade is closed with profit, and we have $172 on the account right now. Let me check JOD CNI. According to the JOD CNI, let me switch to $110. We're moving in the declining channel. I have opened sell position in the continuation of the current drop. Why did I do this? If we pay attention to the MACD data, the green line is strictly below the red one. For us, that means that we're in a very strong sell zone. Moreover, according to the Parabolic SAR indicator, we're also in the sell zone. So that's why let's don't invent the bicycle once again, how we tell in Poland. And let's just follow that trend, and let's open a sell position that we have already opened right now. So that's why everything is very, very, very simple. Just several seconds left until the time runs out, and we see the result of this trade. So this trade is closed with profit. We have $274 on the account right now. This is a nice result, but still we need to make some more, much more, to be honest. So that's why give me 1 minute to analyze the market and find the next currency pair for today's trading session. Let me check GBP Audi. Okay, according to the GBP Audi, according to the Parabolic SAR, we're in the sell zone. According to the MACD, we're in the sell zone also. Let's switch to $200 and open sell positions that we have already opened right now. $200 are invested in the sell trade. Everything is telling us about the sell position, the sell zone. So that's why we have done this. We have opened sell position. Let's just relax and wait and see what will we get from this trade today. So this trade is also closed with profit. We have $458 on the account. Everything is going as planned. Now let's proceed to the next currency pair. Okay, let me check Euro USD right now, and here the price was stopped by the strong support line zone. We started receiving the pullback reaction, which results right now in the short-term upgoing correction. Let me change our investment to $300, but still now price is going to hit the downgoing trend line, which corresponds to the Parabolic SAR line, and still we have some space for the growth right now till we hit the trend line, until we hit the Parabolic SAR line. That's why I have opened a buy position, expecting that this growth will be within this 1 minute time period that we have, and everything will be fine. For now, price is growing as I predicted. The half of the time has already passed. Let's just wait for around 20 seconds left. I hope everything will be remain like now. We will stay here. So we have hit the trend line, we have hit the Parabolic SAR line, we start receiving the pullback reaction. Yep, so it's closed. We have $710 on the account. Everything is looking really nice. Now let's proceed to the next trading pair. By the way, my friends, if you want to trade like me, it's absolutely possible. All you need is just to learn. And where to learn? Very simple. Open right now the description to this video. subscribe to my private TG, link for which you can find here, get access to the best trading signals, educational materials and strategies that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with me. Link in the description. Okay guys, while I was talking, I have already opened one more sell position on the AUD-CHF currency pair. This was done firstly because of the data from the MACD oscillator, which is telling us that we're in a strong sell zone, together with the data from the Parabolic SAR oscillator indicator, which is also telling us about the sell zone. Well, so let's check out the CAD right now. Here, we are moving to the upgoing channel. We're above the Parabolic SAR line. Let me open buy position here. According to the MACD, there is no clear information. According to the MACD, according to the Parabolic SAR, price has hit the upgoing trend line together with the resistance line zone of, support line zone of Parabolic SAR indicator. That's why we are receiving a very nice pullback reaction right now. And of course, we have opened buy position here. So this trade is closed with profit. We have around $1,300 on the account right now, and this is really nice result, my friends. So if you want to have the same results like me, it's absolutely possible, and all you need for this is just right now open description to this video and subscribe to my private TG, which will help you to reach the highest highs of trading. Do this and be in my dream team. See you all, and bye bye.